Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua, who is actually building their brand new Gen 5 facility behind us, we have their 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. First time behind the wheel of a Z06, first time in a Z06, and I am in love with it. It is the American 458 in all the right ways. This one's not a Z07, but it does have the carbon ceramics, the carbon wheels, and the good old LT5 under the hood. I did find the sticker in the car. So when brand new, this one was $159,000. So you have stealth interior trim, bright red paint, visible carbon fiber roof panel, oh pretty cool, carbon fiber wheels, carbon brakes, carbon interior trim level 2, so all the carbon things. What is this, bright white? Arctic white over jet black. 5.5 liter flat plane crank, and the good old 8-speed dual clutch. So I'm gonna go now. You can drive this car with the radio off all the time just because of the sound and how visceral this thing feels. But what's amazing is, now that I've gotten used to it, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, man, this... One thing I loved about the C8 is it's as crazy as it looks, the interior is really comfortable. And I could daily drive one of these. Maybe not a Z06, but this isn't even the most aggressive Z06. You, of course, have the Z07 package and now the ZR1. This is, yeah. This is a car that just, oh, it's tough to put it into words at what this thing is like. God help me. This is the best Corvette I have ever driven in terms of being a European supercar. And you know, a lot of people are sitting there saying, oh, it's not a real Corvette because it's not mid-engine. Or I mean, it's not front engine. I really don't care. Yeah, it's not a direct linear, it doesn't have that direct lineage to the original Corvette. But think about what the original Corvette was designed to do. And that was compete with European sports cars. And you know what this is doing? It is making me realize that I don't need to buy a 458 when this is half the price of a used 458 and 10 years newer. Yeah, it doesn't say Ferrari on the front, but you know what? I really couldn't care. Unless you're chasing that brand clout and trying to impress people with the fact that you own a Ferrari, if you just care about driving, this car provides all of that fun and that thrill for half the price. And you know what it does also provide? That I thought no car would ever duplicate? The sound. I didn't think any car could produce the sound of a 458. Ladies and gentlemen, we have one. This thing is just next level. You know what? You know what, Corvette? You did it. This is one of, if not my favorite car I've driven in a very long time. You did all right with me, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Porsche of Nashua, for allowing me to film this. I'll see you all in the next one.